So you can put triangles into three different categories or groups based on how their sides relate to each other. So specifically looking at the congruency of their sides, the equilateral triangles have three sides that are congruent. All three sides of the equilateral triangle are congruent, meaning they have the same length. So, for example, this triangle has sides that are all 4 units long. A triangle that would be 10 by 10 by 10 would also be equilateral. Equal just means equal, and then lateral means having to do with sides, so equal sides. So an equilateral triangle has three sides. All three sides are congruent. And then next up, we've got the isosceles triangles, and those are triangles where two sides are congruent. There's two sides that have the same length. So for this one, there's two sides with a length of 7 units, and that iso just means same or equal. You might have heard, isometric or isomorphic. Um, and then I don't like that color. Let's see. Uh, nah, can't see that. And then this word comes from a Greek word that means legs. So you can kind of like think of the triangle as, I don't know. This is probably getting off on a tangent, but you can think of these as the two legs of the triangle. Um, so they have two legs that are the same length. And then the scaling triangles don't have any sides that are congruent with one another. So all three side lengths are different from one another. So three basic categories. You've got equilateral triangles where all three sides are congruent with one another. And then isosceles triangles where two sides are congruent with one another. And then scaling triangles where no sides are congruent with